Morning. How are you all? Yes. Smiling. Smiling. Now first today I will starting from your notes and your questions. But question, restrict the questions to what we have learned. Because what we have not learned is still full one day session is there. So those questions will be automatically sorted out. And then after the completion, then I will give you again one chance. If some questions is remaining, you can ask. Now first your doubt and question.
God method.
Yes.
Weight and load.
Yes.
You can large in this time. For large in this time for getting the motion out.
Yes.
What is the decision of that? So what I have put actually.
Yes. Then whatever you put in your question, it will be corrected. But I want to tell you, large intestine is direction is like this. Material going from, for example, see this picture. It is very, see, if you know the magnetic direction, then absolutely in any question you can sort it out. If you know, this is large intestine. This is large intestine. And appendix. So you are putting magnet here. There are two ways of putting the magnet. Closed one by one. That means making a chain. Like this. For example, making a chain. Like this. That means four. That means this will chain more, and this will one more magnet will come over here, and then again like this, and then coming, and then again here, again here, and finally the rectum. Finally, this chain you can make. One of the ways is like this. Another way I will explain, but before that I want to ask you, what is the...
Sir, that's it, sir. Actually, I have put the weight at the top. That is towards to the anus. Top is a weight.
Commencing with weight.
Yeah.
This is direction of bowel movement. This is direction of bowel. Now you have to tell me this bottom side, it should be white or yellow? White. And this bottom side should be what?
Yellow.
Yes. That means all magnet will be like this.
W.
I put on it. Okay.
And also we are also job doctor. There is a picture like this also. This is one of the way, but in what happens, there are a lot of magnets. So sometimes difficult to fix over the correspondence area. So there is easy way that means don't put too much magnets. Just like put one magnet in the starting, then one magnet here, then one magnet here, then again one magnet here, one magnet here, one magnet here, one magnet here, and again one magnet here, and finally one magnet here. Here on the same direction is the same. Like this. This is. See, I want to tell you, very wonderfully working. I have given you one criteria, not one criteria, many criteria I am giving you for your self-assessment. That whether at what level you have learned Sujok, postmodern system, whether you are master of postmodern system or not. Already I have given two criteria. What two criteria? For your self-assessment, or self-judgment, self-examination, whether you know properly this method or not. What two criteria?
70% of
Number one is pain management. More than 70% cases, you should be able to manage the pain any time. One criteria. Another criteria, you should be able to treat more than 50% patient, all type of patients, not only pain. For other patient, more than 50%. That means you are now in a procedure that you have started to use it effectively. More the results, more you know. That means you achieve 70%, you are in better position. You achieve 80%, further better position. Like this. Third one is, you should never suffer constipation or any digestive disorder. I sometimes get very annoyed when if practitioner or lecturers say, I am suffering constipation. Because there are so many methods to deal with constipation, not one. So many methods to deal with the constipation. And even when you say constipation, that I am very surprised. No excuse even. Some people say my routine is like that, my diet is like that, my lifestyle is like that. I think my lifestyle is much complicated than anyone else. I used to work, now not now, because now I am a little bit older age, but during when Professor Kaju was alive, I was doing lot of work, not only Sujok promotion, but official activities of ISA and his own assignment. So 20 hours a day working. Nowadays also sometimes, like for last day when I came over here, up to 4 o'clock morning I am collecting the material in the internet. So 24 hours working round the year. It is not like 1 day or 2 days. And then my breakfast time not fixed, lunch time, morning 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, any time. Dinner time, evening 7 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, any time. Dinner time. You cannot complain that my routine is like this, my routine is like this. No. That means constipation, because I am giving such a... I have dealt with the patient, such a patient who says, I can pass my bowels only once a week. Such a patient I have encountered, only once a week. And that too also after taking lot of laxatives, lot of laxatives. That means regularly something churan chutney, something to take, something. And then finally 6-7 days. And has been treated everywhere, naturopathy and everywhere. So once it is during my class, one student was there in Ahmedabad in my class and his father came to just for a courtesy call to meet me that his son is attending the class. And during this he told me that I have such a problem. Then I told that, come, please come, I try something for you. You just wait and I try. Then when I started, he says, oh, sorry sir, don't try. I go, what is the harm? I am trying, what is the harm? So I am just telling because in the morning today I have already passed the bowl. So now next term is 7 days. That's why I am telling you, please don't try. Because I can confirm only after 7 days. Because morning already passed. I don't worry. I applied this bar method technique. And then I tell me, report me tomorrow morning. Report me back tomorrow morning. And next day he called, sir, I could pass today also. Bar method. This is working very well. So, this is one of the methods. I will explain another method also, but I want to tell you, any type of constipation, any type of digestive disorder, constipation, loose motion or gastric, acidity, those type of condition you should be able to deal with. Acidity, if you say you are suffering acidity, how you will treat your patient? At least it is your test that you should not suffer acidity, indigestion, gastric, constipation, all those conditions, you should not suffer at least. So even if you achieve, more than 50% of the world population is suffering from constipation. More than 50% of world population. Constipation is the biggest disease in the world. Constipation.
Invite so many diseases.
Yeah, and it creates so many diseases. Yes, absolutely right. Because in Ayurveda says diseases start from only here. So we are dealing with that technique by which you can cure constipation. That means you can cure all the diseases, not only one. Again, I want to tell you a very interesting way. There are therapists. Internationally, there is a method of alternate medicine. They are treating any disease only by colon. Colon therapists. They are called colon therapists. You have migraine, they will treat your colon only. You have asthma, they will treat only your colon. You have cancer, they will treat only colon. That means colon is that important. So what they do, they physically do the colon here. For example, the colon therapist, they will check. And they will check. And intuitively they find some tender area. And then in tender area they give regular massage. Then move. One inch, every inch part they search and they give massage. Sometimes they can massage one area for half an hour. They have their way of treatment and very costly. One sitting $200, $300 like that. So this is, and they treat all the diseases like this. So I will give you colon massage. They stop any disease you have, you also search your colon here and find whether there is some painful point or not. If there is no painful point, if there is some painful point, irrespective of thinking to correlate it with any other condition, just apply the treatment. Colon. Here colon very important. That means even if you don't have constipation or any condition related to the colon, even then search your colon. And there is most probability, highest probability that you will find some most painful area in the colon. Most painful area. And then give stimulation to that. It will cure some of the disease in your body. Some of them. Even though you cannot correlate because you don't have this correlation understanding. But you must try the colon every day. Or not every day, maybe once a week you should check your colon. That means checking and finding the painful point and applying the treatment. Okay, next question. Next.
Can we apply these magnets during night time, sir?
No, I didn't discuss yet about the remaining part of magnetism because yesterday I finished the class because it is getting late. Some information about the magnetism has to be given. But whatever I from the beginning, because people are coming to me when I am there with question, I don't solve those questions. Why? It is not that I don't want to solve. This question I want to reply in the class. So therefore by one answer, everybody knows the answer. If I reply there, only he knows. Then all the people lost the opportunity. So therefore I always say, ask the question in the class. Only this reason. Otherwise no reason is that I don't want to say. It is I am for only sujoke here. So any question I can answer any time. But why am I not answering? Because I want to answer in the class only. So therefore first ask your question. Only one question. You are also asking some question to me. You are asking some question.
No, when you after you are telling that show the system of constitution. I just wanted to know whether we have to show the entire stomach.
No. Only on the colon. My question was show the treatment of constipation on the colon. Question was only that only on the colon. Because otherwise digestion is total digestive system, but only because it is the main organ involved in constipation. Stomach is not involved in the constipation. Finally, it is colon which is mainly involved in the constipation. So therefore, my question was only to show answer on the colon. Okay, another thing.
So in word, they come for the menstrual irregularity.
What?
Menstrual irregularity. Menstrual problem.
Menstrual
Irregular menstruals actually.
irregularity. Yes.
See, actually, normally we are thinking in acupuncture in a different way. What is that thing in the?
See, in the correspondence system, menstrual irregularity is related to ovaries and uterus. So just you have to stimulate ovaries and uterus. That's all. In the correspondence system, irregularity means whether less or whether excessive. What you have to treat? You have to treat the correspondence area, related correspondence area. So simple. That means ovaries and uterus. Just to treat them. Nothing else. Correspondence data is always very simple. Just find the related organ or the related gland.
And also pituitary gland.
Yes,
Okay.
or related organ and related gland. Because ovaries and uterus are part of the hormonal gland also. So also better to touch the gland in this condition.
So for weight reduction actually, in auricular in 5 points. For
We are not discussing.
for this point you have to correct.
For gastric and
Even this auricular is not working. You claim working. I have 100 patients who have taken 1 year treatment by auricular. So it is not, it is just like dummy. Some out of 100, 1 or 2% is improving, it is not treatment actually. Then you put lot of condition, eat
No.
this, don't eat this, don't eat this. I challenge.
No, I have put for my patients some around 5 people,
Yes.
but I never given any restriction actually. But they have come actually.
No, it is good, you are excellent there.
1.5 kg.
If you have 100% result,
No,
then
not
you
100%,
don't need
yeah.
any
But last-
treatment. Because obesity is not such a simple question. Obesity, there is no organ which can control the obesity. In the correspondence system, we are always targeting what? A organ related to the disease. What is the organ related to obesity? Obesity full body. So either you treat full body or then you know the fat metabolism. Fat metabolism is main important organ is liver. Fat metabolism is done by the what? Which organ? Liver. If liver is not breaking the fat in a proper manner, it is getting deposited in the body. But again, I don't assure.
Sir,
I don't know
metabolism
any.
it controls
Hmm?
metabolism.
Yes.
It is controls 5 points he's talking.
Hmm.
So in that academy they are doing this research like in acupuncture.
Yes,
so
yes, it is
is
good, but
not
I want-
fully,
no, no, my-
they are not losing, but
Yeah.
some part of the thing it is.
I told you
Sir,
this is a very
I have
complex
for many
question.
people actually.
Yes.
See that they have some people they are having that the glands and the things reduced. Some people they are telling 1 kg to 2 kg they are reduced. See, almost for me actually almost 4 to 5, 6 kg they reduced
Yes.
for last 4 months treatment.
Six,
But we are not having
6
any-
months, 6 kg is nothing actually.
No, sir.
By Sujok, you can reduce 3 kg in 1 month. By advance.
That's why I am asking you which point it is.
By, not by correspondence
Not
system.
to-
Not by correspondence system. Not by correspondence. That's why I told you. Correspondence system, we always need to find the organ related to the disease. Obesity is a systematic disease. What is called systematic disease? When group of organs is involved.
Yeah.
Full body is involved. It is called systematic disease. Systematic disease when we cannot assign one area. So therefore, for systematic
Liver
disease,
screens
you have to
or-
find out another way, not correspondence. Correspondence, not correspondence. Correspondence can be included, I told you. Just only like liver you can include, or if it is because of thyroid gland, obesity is also one of the cause because of the thyroid. And again, thyroid gland is the main gland which is controlling metabolism in the body. So you include thyroid and liver and those conditions. But exactly I cannot give the formula that you reduce the obesity. Like
Sir, for that mentally retarded person,
Yes.
person who is having losing the self-confidence.
no, don't ask now again. You are again.
No.
We are.
I'm
Star is-
No, related to disease, no, because I still did not explain which disease cannot be treated.
okay.
So I am telling you, don't ask about the disease because when you ask, then another will ask another disease. So my class is lost. But I will explain about disease also, no problem. But later,
We need a diagnosis. Diagnosis in the sense actually we need disease-oriented clarification we need.
I want to tell you, you are stuck. I am repeatedly saying
Not now.
it is disease. No, it is disease oriented. All diseases. I just want to start thinking in this term. You are still searching for the formula.
No, not formula.
Disease oriented means formula.
What is ultimate, sir? What is ultimate we are learning? What is ultimate we are learning?
That is I am teaching you. That how to
That's
teach.
why,
How to
actually,
find the
sir,
formula.
they are also going for many training actually. See, finally they will come for the class for the some.
I want to tell you, it is your choice. You want to formula, I will be by formula. But by formula, you are never growing. Because for 4 people, there is a 4 formula. How can give all the formulas? 4 patients, 4 formulas. I will give you some explanation in the second level also. 4 patients, 4 different treatments, same disease.
Yes.
There cannot be any formula. I am trying to make you clear sense that you create your own formula for the patient. My focus is to make you independent. If you are searching for the formula, then you are searching for the like spoon feeding. Now spoon feeding is only good for the babies, but when you are grown up, then you eat yourself. My question is only that try to think that how Sujok can be used in any condition. For example, I give your answer to 10 formulas, 15 formulas. What about rest of the 85 formulas? That means you don't know the formula. I am giving to trying to make you to treat all the 100 conditions so that you can create your own formula in the correspondence system again. Okay, you tell me your disease which you are asking, so that I can answer this question.
Self-confidence boosting actually. The person, he was reading actually.
Self-confidence is emotional level. I already told you. Emotional level is another level. Here we can treat only that disease which is connected to an organ.
No, this also organ only. You have the next level actually of organ. Both the organ level. See, first organ level also can be treated. No? Not treated.
What? Which organ for confidence?
That's why. See, that's why I'm asking you.
Confidence, no organ. We know all it.
See, actually not self-confidence is not like this. Actually, he was studying in the college. Immediately he dropped out. Then he is telling every time he is asking his restless in the night.
Self-confidence losing is a emotional disorder.
So whether this
You agree or not?
No, that's correct.
Then emotional we have metaphysical system. So why we unnecessarily argue this question? Self-confidence is a matter of emotional disorder. So emotional disorder in Sujok we have another method, not correspondence system. Correspondence system it is related to, we already discussed, this is a physical system. Physical system means related to physical body, palpable physical body which you can touch and feel. And you can find a physical organ or connected body part related to your disease. Only then. And see, indirectly sometimes you can do. For example, I give you could have a thought like this. I already give you adrenal gland massage.
Yes.
Adrenal gland massage. That means you didn't pay attention. In this case, in this condition also adrenal gland massage might work.
No, I
Might
doing
work.
it. Not by this one. You are doing it in the auricular.
Yes. No, don't discuss your auricular. Whatever you are doing,
No.
it is very good. I don't
That's why I'm asking what are the things as can be handled.
Here it is a physical system. Try to be focused. We are discussing the physical system. So just try to find out a organ related to your disease or gland your to the disease. Any disease, any physical disease has connection to a particular organ. So in correspondence system, what we are doing? Finding the organ or the gland, and we are treating at that area. But emotional disease, we have organs, but we don't have any understanding of this organ relation here. So we will discuss this better about the next level. But again, I am giving some special information also, like when I told you adrenal gland massage, I told you, what is this? Loss of confidence is like some sort of anxiety syndrome. I already explained it. Anxiety syndrome or depression or some fear, all you can give adrenal gland massage, but again it is a temporary arrangement, not a full treatment. Just in the given condition, for example, you are facing some interview, and because of this situation, sometimes we have a very important meeting, examination or interview. What happens to us? All of a sudden it looks like we are totally lost and we are losing our confidence. This adrenal gland massage working very well working during interview or during this examination and everything. So it is working like that. But my question is only that we try to find it in a logical way. Logical way. Yes.
You just told about this constipation part.
Yes.
Ladies would say
Yes.
it should be what would be the organs?
Organs mainly stomach. Acidity is mainly stomach and some part gallbladder. Stomach and gallbladder. Yes. Because this bile which is coming from the gallbladder, it is main component for the digestion. So therefore any disorder of digestion, stomach and gallbladder should be taken care of. And then small intestine, large intestine, all. This is the digestive system. But mostly acidity is a matter of the stomach part. So you have to take care of the stomach part. In the acidity you have to take care of. No, it can be there. It can be, but mostly stomach. Sometimes acidity is also caused because of small intestine. Because when food is not properly digested in small intestine, this also creates acid in the system.
Is this bracing also?
Hmm?
Bracing.
Belching can, yes, all indigestion can disease, can cause belching or the acidity. Can cause. Indigestion can cause acidity and belching both.
Whether this gout is related to this large intestine? Gout.
Gout.
Any disease, I told you, people are treating every disease by large intestine. So I am not expert of that subject. So I cannot guide you about gout anything. But I just know that people are treating any disease by colon, only colon. I just by chance I read one book. In this book I find this reference of colon therapist. So because of that I know the importance of colon. But I am not expert of this subject, so I cannot say that whether it is working on gout or anything like that.
Uric acid level more than gout.
Uric acid is like, see, what is the important? Uric acid is main filtration is kidney, and why it is produced in the body? Because liver function is not proper, therefore it is being produced. So if uric acid treat liver and kidneys both together. So it is just try to correlate the disease with the organ. That's all. In the cross-corner system, it is only, I tell you, it is the easiest method, because actually you need not go deeper in the diagnosis of the disease. You just have to find out the relation of the disease with a particular organ. So uric acid and everything, it is the role of liver is there, because they are not doing properly. So this acid is being generated in the body, and kidney is not filtering in a proper manner. So it is accumulated, discharging. So both kidney and liver you have to treat in this area. Anything more? No. If you have any doubt, no problem. But my question is just we have to understand the ways we are running the system. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about the magnets, and final information.